What's that? Someone say frogs. Frogs. Frogs is your suggestion. Red team, are you ready?
Yes.
Lee, are you ready? Fantastic. Mr. Rose is going to help you as well. So off we go.
Well, thank you very much for coming to visit my froggery. I have hundreds and hundreds of frogs. Let me just take you down. There we go. Now they're very ribbity. Oh, they're all asleep. They're all asleep. Would you like to come back later when they're awake?
No, on the contrary. A sleepy frog.
Rabbit.
Oh, there they are.
Hello, my delicious beauty.
Oh.
I meant,
Oh, I took a warm-up first. You're not going to eat my little babies, are you?
no.
If you do, I'll have to blow my alarm. My special alarm, it alerts the police. It's my special alarm to alert police dogs. It's high-pitched.
You own the largest collection of frogs in the world.
I do.
The noise of them can be heard all the way from Bristol. So,
Do you want me to open the door again?
yeah, let me hear them again.
It's going to be very loud. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Rabbit.
Goodness me!
Oh.
I feel like that's just dislodged me trapped wind.
What? You've blown through a window! Stop doing it! Stop trumping!
Something terrible's happened!
The frogs are suffocating on the fumes! No! Is this the end? Is this the end?